Shall we learn together how to make a caramelized dulce de leche candy? This candy is becoming very popular, and this version is simply irresistible. In a pot, put 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, a 200-gram carton of heavy cream. Also add 150 grams of caramel and a tiny pinch of salt, which will enhance the flavor even more. Mix over medium heat until it reaches the right point. The dough needs to be firm and come off the bottom of the pan well. And let me know in the comments if you already knew this recipe. With the success of the candied strawberry here on the page, I brought this wonderful dulce de leche version. I'm sure you will love it. Transfer to a dish and cover well. Then let it rest in the fridge for at least 4 hours, so it gains the perfect consistency for shaping. Then, just grease your hands and make balls of about 40 grams each. And this sweet has several versions, like passion fruit, Oreo, lime. You can also use your creativity and invent any flavor you desire. Once that was done, I took one of those barbecue skewers and put it in each of the little balls we made like that. Now comes the part that makes everything special, the caramel syrup. In another pan, put 2½ cups of refined sugar, 1½ cups of water, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Only stir at the beginning before heating. Once you start heating, do not stir anymore. Let it boil on its own. The perfect point is when you pour a little of the syrup into cold water and hear that sound of glass breaking. Now you just need to pass each one of them like this to form the caramelized shell. And look how beautiful our caramelized dulce de leche candy is getting. If you want to give a different touch, sprinkle some shredded toasted coconut on top. Guys, the result is amazing. A candy that's crunchy on the outside and super creamy on the inside. I'm sure if you make this recipe at home, everyone will fall in love. So save this idea, share it with friends, and let me know later how yours turned out. I have no doubt you'll love the result of this delight very much. Now, I'm going to check the comments to see who commented on today's video. Thank you so much for the interaction and affection from each of you in the videos. A big hug to all of you. Stay with God, and we'll see each other tomorrow in the next video.